In this video, I'm going to share some killer tips on how to get your walls looking fresh with perfect paint jobs that last long and don't drive you crazy. Painting your space might seem simple, but getting that smooth, professional finish without a ton of stress is actually an art in itself. Alright, first up, always start with prepping your walls right. It's all about cleaning off dust, dirt, and grease, so the paint sticks like a charm. Next, patch up any holes or cracks with some good filler and sand it down smooth once dry. Trust me, skipping this step means your paint won't look clean or even. When you pick your paint, go for high-quality stuff because cheap paint tends to chip fast and you'll be back to square one. Don't forget to use painter's tape around edges to keep lines crisp and avoid messy overlaps. When you're ready to roll, apply thin coats instead of thick ones. This helps the paint dry quicker and prevents drips. Use a good brush or roller depending on the surface. Rollers are great for big flat walls, while brushes work better for corners and trim. After the first coat dries completely, give it a light sand before the next coat to get rid of any bumps or rough spots. Finally, be patient and let each layer dry fully before adding another. That's how you get that smooth, even finish without any streaks or bubbles. One of the biggest slip-ups I see with home painting projects is not prepping the surface properly, like painting over dirt or peeling paint, which messes with adhesion big time. Another common mistake is slapping on thick layers of paint because people think it'll cover better, but that just causes cracking and longer drying times. And lastly, using the wrong type of paint for your surface or environment can ruin everything, so always check if you need interior or exterior paint or if your walls need something specific like mold resistance. Fix these by taking your time on prep, sticking to thin coats, and choosing the right paint for your walls. If you're looking to get a pro to handle your next big home project, or you're a contractor hunting for new gigs, bighomeprojects.com is where you want to be. It hooks up homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and helps contractors find steady work without the hassle of endless searching. You can trust it to make your home improvement journey way smoother and less stressful.